Hi everyone, it's David Piatek, Vice President at the Federal Savings Bank. Welcome to my VA Home Loan Library. This library is designed for veterans, military members, spouses, and future military members, or even someone helping a military member do some research. As a currently serving guardsman, I know the importance of military life and realize that the VA home loan can be confusing when the information online is contradicting. I started this library out of my own frustration with the VA home loan information available. The videos in this library are intended to be educational about the VA home loan. My hope is through this library, you will gain some insights into the VA home loan. If you like what you see, or maybe you still have questions, contact me today. I'm able to lend in all 50 states and can assist you with any questions you have with no commitment.